Hi everyone, it's Heather from Loving Our Age, and I've got a really special tutorial for you today. You know how I love being your personal stylist, and a lot of you have purchased a lot of the styles that I've shown. So what we did is we made a list about the year and what were in the top 20 items. And I'm so excited to show this to you. Not only is there fashion, but there's also beauty, and there's even a housewares product, if you can believe it. So I'm so excited to get going on this video. Let's start with a little bit of fashion with tip number 1, 2, and 3, or should I say the choices? 1, 2, and 3. And here's a great outfit inspiration for you, featuring 3 of the top items bought and chosen by you. Now, let's start with fashion item number 1. And this is a lovely quilted vest that's just $38 and available in many colors. It really adds to an outfit on those cooler days, or it also could be a great layer underneath when there's freezing weather. And you also love the all cotton V-neck shirts at just $23 and available in many different colors. I usually showed this in red, but I liked it so much that I bought it in the trending color of burgundy. And for the second year in a row, the Lee sculpting jeans are a winner. And they're still just $33 and available in petite, regular, and tall. I love the stretch, and my color is the darker Infinity. The waistband holds my tummy in, plus I can roll up the bottoms to wear with lower heeled shoes like sneakers. No wonder this great pair of jeans made the list. And if you want to check out these top 20 items, they'll be in the video description and also in the comments. And of course, these are picked by you. And what you did was you usually went to amazon.com/shop/awesomeover50 and you picked it from my storefront. Now, I got to tell you, thank you so much for over the year for helping me, because I make a little bit of commission to kind of keep the lights on around here. So I really appreciate it. And well, with that said, let's get on to other items that you chose. We're on number 4, 5, and 6. Now, I know we love to have black in our wardrobes, and although I say don't wear black all the time, I know that a refresh needs to take place every once in a while. So let's start with these great pants by Rakuchi. Of course, they have stretch, but I love how they have the kind of tuck-in waistband for our bellies. They're available in short, regular, and tall, and they're just $50. They also come in 9 colors, and I also have them in white and navy. They're perfect for a casual or a dress-up day. And I'm also wearing my favorite lined blazer, and it's just $59 and comes in 24 colors. And once again, I have it in navy, rust, and probably my favorite color, red. And since animal prints are once again trending, I can see how you love this silky leopard print top for just $22. That goes with most blazers, sweaters, or cardigans. And if you like videos like these made by a woman who's probably in your age group, I would love for you to subscribe. There's a button down there somewhere, and don't forget to click on the notification bell. And don't forget to always know your measurement, and also look at every size chart for every item that you order online, because it's so important. And also don't forget to stay until the end of this video, where I'm going to have once again an inspirational message for you. But for now, let's get back to the top 20. And not all of the items that you chose were fashion items. This handy steamer, I don't know if it was better over here, it's just $30. It's got a very large reservoir and also a really long cord as well. And you know what? I haven't taken out my iron in years. I just use this, and every time we do fashion videos, my husband actually steams everything with this, so it's just fabulous. And what did I tell you? It was around $30. So I was surprised, but very happy to see that that made the list. All right, so let's get on to another item, and it's the Strivectin anti-blur primer. And some of you might be saying, what the heck is an anti-blur primer? Well, this is what I put on my face before I put on any foundation, any concealer. And what it does is it kind of, a lot of you know how old I am, but I do have wrinkles, and it kind of fills in those wrinkles, like the small wrinkles, and it's just fabulous. It lays a foundation, covering up some pores and things like that for your makeup. So as most of you know, Strivectin is a premier product, and I absolutely love this. Also, a lot of you always were asking me, what kind of lipstick are you wearing? And of course I'm wearing it right now. And what I love with the lipsticks, and it made the list as well, because they're the NYX XXL lingerie lipstick. Now these are a stay-on lipstick, and actually whenever we're filming, we're usually filming for over 4 hours, it stays on. I just absolutely love it. And it's got a different kind of applicator as well, as you can see. So I like this actually for doing a bit of lip lining as well. These are under $10 last time that I checked, and I have them in you know, pinks and peaches and that sort of thing. Because they are stay on, they are a little bit dry, so I'm just getting these together for you here. So what I also love is the NYX Butter Gloss, and as you can see, I've got those in a lot of different colors, and once I put on the NYX lingerie, then I just put this butter gloss over top, and these are only around $6. Now let's get back to a few more fashion choices, number 10 and 11, and it's no surprise that leggings made the cut. The Belief leggings were at the top of the list with their amazing stretch, and available in short, regular, and tall inseams. Plus, there's a pocket and a lovely top tummy band to gently hold your tummy in. They also come in 30 colors and designs. And the winner for over leggings top is the zip top one. And it's available in various designs and colors. There's actually 31 different types, including designs without the front zipper. And I love the side detail and the fact that this top does cover your front and your bottom, and it's just $20. Now, let's take a look at a couple of non-modeling items that I have. And of course, right near the top of the list, I think maybe this was the top of the list, was the Warner's No Side Effects bra. And you absolutely loved it. This is my skin tone. It's called Butterscotch. There's no underwires, so that's really nice. But it kind of holds the flabby parts in, if you know what I mean. I think it's about $31. And I also, of course, bought it for myself in black. Now, some of you mentioned that it didn't have adjustable straps, and it works well for me, but I also checked out another Warner's bra, and it's called Easy Does It. And it does have the adjustable straps plus a lot of the features that this bra has. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it, in the video description, also in the comments, so you can check that one out as well. And of course, the 95% cotton and 5% spandex undies, they made the list. They're available in colors, but they're also available in black, which I really love. They have that waistband too. As you can see, it really, really holds in the tummy. And these are amazing. I think you get 5 of them for $27, and they're available up to size 6XL. All right, so let's look at another outfit inspiration that I put together for you with choices number 14, 15, and 16. And here I go again wearing black, but let's face it, it's a popular color. And if you want a great everyday pant, these Skechers Go Walk stretch pants are available in petite, regular, and tall. They're very stretchy, and last time I checked, they were 33% off for just $33. I also love how they hide my size 10 feet a bit, and these sneakers were also favorites of yours. These Keds are classic leather tops, and they also come in narrow, regular, and wide sizing. And last time I checked, they were on sale for just $53. And what about this hoodie with piping? I have it in black, but it also comes in 18 colors and is mostly cotton. It's great for dog walking or everyday errands, and last time I checked, it was on sale for just $34. And next, the crocheted overtops. They were a big hit, and I actually have them in 4 different colors here. And I think there's about 45 different colors that are available in them, and they're only $25. So if you have, this is what I do anyway. It's if you have a dress that's no sleeves and you're a little bit self-conscious about, your arms, just put one of these over. You won't even feel it, and it will just look very, very pretty over that dress or even that top. And of course, again last year, the stretchy belts were a big hit. And of course, the thin ones that come in 3 colors for $18 were very popular. But I also introduced this black leather look belt with built-in stretch for $14 that goes with just about anything, and you loved it. Another item that I showed you, because I just love stretchy belts, is this great designer look. It has a fancy buckle, and I bought it in navy for just $12. And it also comes in 4 other colors, and you know what? I'm definitely going to be purchasing more of these. So beautiful. Now, as I've mentioned before, I would love to be like a personal stylist for you. And the items that I'm showing you, the fashions and even the makeup, they are items that I personally love. And if you haven't checked out Amazon lately for fashion, you're just going to be so floored with the different brands that are there. I mentioned it before. There's Skechers, Lee jeans, Keds shoes, there's Crocs, there's Naturalizer shoes, and even Calvin Klein, and that's just to name a few. In 2025, why not turn up the temperature a little bit with your outfits and maybe put to the side a lot of those faded and drab styles and turn around and say to yourself, you know what? This year, I'm going to really up my fashion style game. If you ever meet me on the street, you'll notice that I'm wearing a lot of the clothes that I'm talking about. And, they really make me feel vibrant and youthful. I'm always on the lookout for something that I can buy. A lot of it is a classic kind of look. And I'm so glad that a lot of you are choosing the same styles that I'm wearing. And for me, feeling like that and getting my groove back is just another way to be loving our age.